Happy Sunday, party people! It's 12 o'clock. Your girl is going to the gym because I need to get snatched times 10 for this weekend. I'm not gonna say what it is. I guess you'll just see as the vlog comes out. But this weekend, it's a special someone's birthday. A couple people's birthdays actually this week. And we're gonna celebrate, and I need to look like Gigi Hadid, Bella Hadid, Kendall Jenner. I need to look like Kendall Jenner's twin sister. I don't hit any weights on the weekend ever, so I think I'm just gonna do 15 minutes on the stairs, and if I don't feel like going 50 minutes, we'll do stairs and walk, you know? Chill but hard. We're all at the gym together. How crazy. We just did one round of the abs, and now we're going to round 2 because we need to look snatched for Julie's birthday. Hey guys, I was at the gym, had a workout with the girls. I feel really good. And on FaceTime because she flaked this morning. It's going in the vlog. You're gonna see that in the vlog. Girl, no. Cancelled. I just came to Walgreens to pick up Julie's pictures because I'm gonna do something for her birthday that's like kind of cute. We'll see how it turns out. Because the pictures have been a mission, let me tell you. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna go pick up construction paper from Andre's house. I'll keep you updated. I'm currently shaving my face because I like to have smooth, what do they call it? I like to have a blank canvas whenever I do my skincare, and I feel like it's helped with clearing my skin. So that's what I've done so far, and it's Wednesday. I'll keep you posted with the rest of the week because I've been such a terrible vlogger. I just got to Danny's house. We're in a new location, unlocked. His dad moved, and I'm really hungry. So I'm making us some sandwiches on sour. Bye. Guys, I came to Danny's. We just ate dinner, and I'm making Julie's present.
She gonna put me on blast while I'm munching.
And we're making the hats. I'm on FaceTime with the girls, and I'm looking at inspo. And Kai, I want you to know, Andrea, I can't wait. And I just finished drawing and cutting out each of the hats. It actually came out so cute. Like, this one's my favorite one right there. She's so cute. That face card never decline. Anyways, this is the mess. I gotta clean it up, and I'm gonna finish, like, I'm gonna decorate each hat, I think, and I don't know, we'll see where my brain takes it. I don't want to do that today, but I'm going on a boat tomorrow. My mom just finished making Julie's cake, and it looks so cute. I literally sent her an insole picture, and this is the vision that she created. And it actually came out good. My mom understood the assignment. Currently making sandwiches for the boat, and hanging out for Keenan's. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keenan. Happy birthday to you. Woo! We are heading out to Julie's birthday. Happy Saturday. This is the cake, all of the stuff, and let's go. Yeah! So happy! It looks so good too. Do a boat tour. We want the house on! Leaving on the boat. I'm cute. Everybody. Yeah! The pictures are happening. So cute, Julie. I love it.
I think you'd like them.
Girls. Look at how the pictures came out in her face. So cute. 2 shots in.
I was looking at it and I got something in my teeth.
It actually looks good.
Right, you know my dad man down the middle to the
poured me up, huh?
I love that! Turning to the side and this guy's making guacamole, bro. Oh my god. What am I walking into right now? What did you make, Margot? Tell us right now. The guacamole.
Onions, tomato, 12 limes. Yeah, what's salt?
Alright, we gotta try it. Taste test. Here's your chips.
I want you to know that we said that we all miss you, Lino and Andrea. But I'm looking staring at a Kaya Part 2 right now. Kaya 2.0, bro. She's been scraping that bowl for a long time. No, we don't. No?
Say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Maya, what do you rate it? From 1 to 10.
Gas up, shut it. Gas up,
Love?
Put your head nutty, put your face first. I'm in the jam with the man them birds. You got makeup on the white shirt. I wanna fuck out
I'm so happy. Made it to the water, Rise. Everybody's like happy, so happy. Julie's back. Yes! It's like waiting for Julie. She just she's gone. Oh my god, I'm dead.
She's gone. I don't know where she's been. She's been like 10 minutes now.
You got to show me. You got to show me. She brought 2 more girls to go on. Maya? Oh my god!
Oh, this way! 3, 2!
the cassie right now. Another side, guys. What are those? They came out. The vibes are immaculate. Mom, you're not seeing this. Mom, skip. Get away from no hands, I'm a bad motherfucker. Guys, we're docking right now at, I don't know where we're at, but we're docking right now. This bitch is drunk as fuck. Like, out of her mind.
Out of her mind is crazy.
Yeah. Wait till you watch this back on Sunday when you're sober.
Right.
Tori too. Chris is good. They're worried about their boyfriends. She just wants to have a good time.
I want to keep going. I can run a mile right now. I can 50 mile right now.
The thing is that Andrea wants to keep going. That's right.
She said she can run a mile right now.
Right.
Captain shit out her right.
50 mile right now.
Blind straight through her teeth right now, bro. It was a good time though. Like we had so much fun.
As you should though.
These bitches are just eating cake and recording themselves right now.
Cassandra. Wait, double cocking out.
That's crazy. Mom, at least you know that your cake went to good. She said that. Just landed from the boat and this guy hasn't seen the outside in like 8 hours. Girls are gonna take my car home and my mom's gonna take them home because my mom's the best mommy. I love you. Vibes are after that boat day. It's like 6 o'clock. I got Rusty right here because he's been home alone all day, so I'm just giving him love. And we ordered food, so when the food gets here, everybody sees grub. But honestly, I had the most fun on this boat. Everybody was perfect. Like, it was absolutely perfect. Each person, I feel like everybody fit perfectly. You know what I mean? Especially when, like, you don't know half of the people. But it was the best vibes. Julie killed it. Love you, Boogie. And I can't wait to look back at the videos and edit the vlog and see how it comes out. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let me know what you think of it. This week, I think, was really fun though.